Thank you, President. These days we are seeing the von der Leyen tour to present recovery and resilience plans. Since the beginning of this great project, which is fundamental to our future, some of us have been demanding the strengthening of democratic commitment and respect for human rights. The European Council has a great opportunity to use the best tool that circumstances have put in its hands. It can now show its strength in order to demand exemplary behaviour in all member states, without exception, without double standard. On Monday, the Council of Europe approved a report on Turkey and Spain about freedom to do politics, freedom of expression, and it pointed out a series of recommendations for Spain. Señora García Pérez, not for Hungary, Poland or Slovenia, but for Spain. I trust that the European Council will take good note of this and ensure that the money of Europeans is used to improve democracy where it is weakening. Thank you.